Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check all the deleted Safari history. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So in order to check Safari deleted history, first of all open up the Safari browser, and for example I open, let's say, espn.com, and for example I browse through here. Now if I want to close this tab, I'll simply tap on two squares on the bottom right and then close it. Now the tab suddenly disappeared, and if you want to check the Safari history, all you have to do is to tap on that book on the bottom right next to the two squares, and here you'll be able to find all the browsing data and browsing history you can find for February, January, and all the months. Now there is a second way you can do to check all of your Safari deleted history. All you'll have to do is to tap on settings of your iPhone, then tap on your profile, and then tap on iCloud, and right here tap on show all. And if this Safari is toggled on, you can easily check your Safari history on another MacBook or iPad that is synced up with your iCloud, and you've got the same Apple ID in that device. So I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and